Hello everyone. Let's discuss about the some bit manipulation or the bitwise operators question, which is a embedded systems most frequently asked interview question by the top companies like Nvidia, Qualcomm, AMD, and Broadcom. All these companies are asking this question so often. So here the question is nothing but flip the bits, not just a single bit. Flip the bits within a range. They will give you the number and they will give you the range from so and so bits. You need to flip them. So and you need to tell the output and they'll ask you to write this code. Okay, so this can be done in multiple ways. Like we can use the traditional way of doing loops and then flip the bit, identify the bit it is 1 or 0 and flip it, but that doesn't impress the interviewer, right? So we need to have a quick and one line answers using the bitwise operator. So we can do this. Basically the question is they'll give you the number. For example, here the given number is 72 and they are asking from bits 2 to 6. Flip the bits. For example, if the bit is 0, you have to make it 1. If it is 1, you have to make it 0. So this is how we have to flip the bits. Okay, first let's write this 72 in the hexadecimal format. So how do we write? It is 7, this is 7, and then the 2. Okay, this is 2, this is a 72 actually. Okay, so this is 7 and this is 2, this is hexadecimal 72, and you need to flip the bits from 2 to 6. Okay, we are just printing the original number and then we are passing the given number and the start and end numbers to the this particular flip bits function. Okay, so what we are doing in this flip bits function, we are creating a mask, like that is like a bitwise mask. Okay, and then finally we are doing a XOR operation with the given input number. So let's decipher what actually this mask is doing, how this mask can make our number in the given number bits flipped. Okay, let me explain. Okay, yeah. So the given number is 72 and then we are making the mask. So what is the mask here? What we are doing really here actually here is, so we are doing a we are trying to create a mask with ones. Okay, in the range of start to end. Okay, so for example here it is, we are left shifting 1 with start, that is sorry, end, that is 6 minus 2, and we are doing plus 1. Okay, and again we are doing minus 1. The whole thing we are left shifting with start, that is value 2. Okay, if you do this, what 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, this is 1 left shift by 5 minus 1 and again left shift by 2. Okay, so here it is, if you left shift 1 with 5 times, it is equivalent to the 2 to the power 2 to the power of 5, that is nothing but 32 minus 1, and again we are left shifting by 2, that is 31 left shift by 2, that is equivalent to 124, because 31 into 4. Okay, how do we represent this one in the binary format? So the 122 124 is nothing but, it is in hexadecimal, it is 0x7c. Let's write this one in the binary format. Okay, so 7 is 111 and the c is 12, right? So 1100. So this is nothing but 7 and c. Okay, this is 7 and c. Okay, so now we have to do the XOR operation with this mask value. This is a mask we have calculated, and this one we have to do the XOR operation with this one. How do we do that? Let me clean this up a bit and then we can do the XOR operation between the given input number and the final mask value. The input number is how much it is? It is a 72, that is nothing but 0 1 1 and 0 0 1 0. Actually here it is 1. Okay, so and then the another number is 0 1 1 1 and 1 1 0 0. Okay, we have to do the XOR operation with this, and this is 0x72 and this is 0x7c. Okay, what is the XOR truth table tells us? If both inputs are 0, that will be 0. If both inputs are 1, that will be 0, otherwise it will be 1. So here both the inputs are 0, that means the output is 0, and 1 0 is nothing but 1, and 1 0 is nothing but 1, 1 0 nothing but 1, 1 1 is 0, 1 1 is 0, 1 1 is 0, and 0 is again it is a 0. So here what are the bits we need to consider that needs to be flipped from 2 to 6? This is 0th bit, this is first bit, this is second bit, this is third bit, this is fourth bit, this is fifth bit, this is sixth, and this is seventh bit. Okay, so these bits we have to be flipped. So here we can see in the given input, these are the bits got flipped or not. Here it, first three here these three bits are 1 and next two, here it is become 0 and the next two become 1. So this is how we should flip it. So the value here, it is nothing but a e. Okay, 0xe is the output. Okay, now let's execute this and see the output. Okay, and if we execute the executable, here we can see that the original value is 72 and the output value is 0xe. Okay, so this way, even let's say you remember this particular whole logic, but your interviewer may ask you to explain this. Okay, you need to be able to explain what actually happening here. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please mention them in the comments, and please smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. Please share it with your friends. Meet you in the next video.